Hello, Plant Mail Day. So today we got a package from Glasshouse Works, and I've already unboxed it. Unfortunately, this is like the 4th or 5th time I've tried to shoot this video because of technical difficulties. That's my nickname, technical difficulties, for this video anyway. And if you don't know who Glasshouse Works are, they're a greenhouse that they grow to order. So when you place an order, they grow the plants from cuttings, or in some cases it might be seedlings, since not everything can be grown from a cutting. We ordered this on September 11th, and we received it today on November 3rd. So I know that seems like a long time, but because everything is grow to order, it is, I think, part of the process. So you have to be patient when you order from Glasshouse Works. But they do good work because they are seedlings or cuttings that have been rooted. They're not big like you get from some places, and they're big, like they've got big mature leaves because they've been around for a while. This is not the case with anything from Glasshouse Works. So as we go through these, just keep that in mind. The first things I want to go over are going to be something that we bought that we knew it wasn't going to come really super big in both cases. It's Brugmansia. Brugmansia is angel trumpet, and we have 2 of them. And this one is going to be very unimpressive. Oh, look, it's a green stick. It does have a tiny little leaflet right there, which this looks really good. You can see it has some growth points, and there are little sprouts that are on those growth points, so that's good. This is single white, unimpressive in this state, I'm sure. And then there's this one, also Brugmansia. This one has bigger leaves, obviously. This one is Dr. Seuss. So this one will be I think this was a double flower, if I remember correctly, in a very pretty yellow color. So angel trumpets are those big trumpet flowers that hang down from sort of like a tree. So the plan for these is they'll be potted up and left to grow. In the spring, they will be taken outside so that they can get even bigger and impress the neighbors with their gorgeous angel trumpets. Yeah, moving right along. The next plant, this one is one that Stephen wanted. It is a philodendron. It's the Philodendron Zeno, the Philodendron Zeno. This is the dwarf version of Philodendron Xanadu. You can see it looks pretty good. This one is in excellent condition. Has a lot of new growth and just looks great. It looks very happy, and I'm very happy about that. I like that. The next plant, if you've paid attention in the previous 2 videos, you understand that, or you should understand, that I am alocasia crazy, or alocrazy, or crazy, whatever you want to say about me. So this is an alocasia. This is a plant that I've had on my wish list for quite some time. It actually was probably after I got this beauty right back here. I was like, oh, I want this. This is the Alocasia Cuculata. So it's not black, it's green. It really is. It is also known, let's look at the leaf here, as Buddha's palm. So you can tell this one kind of really is showing it off. This one a little bit as well, although this is a little bit of a bad leaf. But when it grows, the leaves will be like this on top of the petiole, like open hands, like Buddha's open hands. They grow this outside of Buddhist temples in Thailand, I believe it is, and that's where the name comes from. That's why they call it Buddha palm. There are other names for it as well, but I will call it my plant. Yay. And then if you've never ordered from Glasshouse Works, one of the great things is that they will include many times a bonus plant. Part of the beauty of waiting is you get to see, oh, what are they going to send me? So we did get a bonus plant, and that is this beauty. She looks pretty good. She's pretty tall. I don't have a ruler, but look, there's the top of her. She doesn't even fit in frame. It's a horrible filming setup, I'm sure. But this particular plant, let me pull up the name because I can't read it on the tag. It is a Dorstenia Carnulosa. This is a caudex plant, which this stem, they refer to it as a bowling pin shaped stem or trunk, pardon me, not stem. And it has all of these beautiful leaves on here and these little open hand looking things, or what they call our hypanthodiums. Never seen this plant before, but this was pretty interesting. This is going to be great for my partner because we've started him on an accidental caudex plant journey. So this is going to be for him. But if you look here at the little whatever those things are called, hypanthodiums, I will remember that eventually, but just not today. They look like little flowers, kind of, that are really like somebody pulled all the petals off of. But it's really kind of pretty. I think it's nice. It looks great. I love it. So this is what we got today from Glasshouse Works. I just want to say thanks, Glasshouse Works, for the beautiful plants. Beautiful plants. Especially this one that I really like quite a bit. And the others too, which I like them all. I won't lie. But thanks, Glasshouse Works.